Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuits with wheat flour using an easy method. First, combine 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Whisk these ingredients together well to ensure they are evenly distributed. This step is crucial for light and fluffy biscuits. Now let's add the fat. Take 6 tablespoons of very cold butter and cut it into small, pea-sized pieces. Add these butter pieces to your dry mixture. Using your fingertips or a pastry blender, quickly cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Keeping the butter cold is key for flaky layers. Next, we'll bring it all together. Gradually pour 3/4 of a cup of cold milk into your flour and butter mixture. Stir gently with a fork or your hands until the dough just barely comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough biscuits. A slightly shaggy dough is perfectly fine. Finally, it's time to shape and bake. Lightly flour a surface and gently pat the dough to about 3/4 of an inch thick. Use a biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Enjoy your warm, homemade biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.